Hey folks, it's Al with Christ-Centered Woods. I wanted to show you again my shave horse with some versatility that I've added to it. I've got my jaws here that are easily removable, and the riser, which is also easily removable. Just a couple nails and some holes hold it right in place, easily taken out. Now, there goes my jaws. And I've got myself a peg here. It's a 5/8 inch peg. I've got a 11/16 inch hole and a 1/4 inch dowel stuck through it so it doesn't slip. That holds my whole bench in place. Now I've made this vise. It's simply a 2x4 that was cut down into two 1 1/4 inch pieces. There is one side that is affixed, so it's not movable. The other slides back and forth. Now these are 1/2 inch bolts on the fixed piece. It's true 1/2 inch, and on the movable piece it's 5/8 of an inch, so that I can get pieces that are irregular in there front to back. Now I've also got my pegs up here that give me support for one direction, and holes drilled in the further end so that my work is stationary. And it's also, I can spin it around and work from the other direction without taking my piece out if I'd like. Just finger tight is all it seems to take right now for me to get a piece in here, so that I can just work it without needing another hand to support the workpiece. And I can go right back to my shave horse. Just that quickly, if that's what I'd like to do. I thought I'd share this with you, and hopefully it'll help some of y'all. If it does, if you like it, then please subscribe and give me a like, and I hope that you're blessed by it.